Good afternoon everyone. Andito na naman ang inyong moms guys. Sa hapon na ito ay ating i-discuss ang tungkol sa The Attack on Love. Last time guys ay napag-usapan natin ang tungkol sa marriage. And syempre, ang marriage ay dahil sa love, kaya kayo nag-asawa guys, di ba? So, last time marriage yung natin, i-discuss. Now, ay about the attack on love. Ngayon guys, sa 1 Corinthians chapter 13 verses 4 to 8, ang sabi dito guys ay, love suffers long and is kind. Love does not envy. Love does not parade off itself, is not puffed up, does not behave rudely, does not seek its own, is not provoked, thinks no evil, not rejoice in iniquity, but rejoices in truth, bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Love never fails. Diba? Yan ang totoong pag-ibig guys na nasa Bible na sinasabi dyan sa 1 Corinthians chapter 13 verses 4 to 8. At ang last na sinabi ko, di ba? Love never fails. Yun ang ating Panginoon Diyos guys. He never fails with this. So, Satan is a master of deception. Kasi guys, kapag nandyan ang ating Panginoong Diyos, nandyan din lagi ang kaaway, which is Satan. Kasi si Satan guys, lahat ng plano ng ating Panginoong Diyos sa ating buhay, gusto niya i-destroy. In John chapter 10 verse 10, ang sabi dyan na, the devil comes to steal, to kill, and destroy. No? Gusto niya, lalo na sa mga couple guys, no? Gusto niya i-destroy ang strong marriage. So Satan is a master of deception and will do whatever he can to destroy marriages. Lahat ng paraan gagawin ni Satan guys para mapaghiwalay ang mag-asawa. He can do to destroy marriages. Lahat ay gagawin. He knows that a strong marriage is a threat to his plan to destroy the children of God. Alam niya talaga guys na kapag strong ang marriage ninyo ay masisira yung kanyang plano. Ano ba talaga ang plano ni Satan guys? Sabi ko na kanina sa John chapter 10 verse 10 na Satan came to kill, to destroy, and to kill, to steal, and to destroy. No? So, gusto niya talaga ma-destroy. Especially yung family, yung strong bond ng family guys. Sa ating mga anak ng Diyos. Yun ang gusto niya mangyari guys. We need to be aware of the lies of that Satan tries to.
Even while your screen's off or you're using other apps, get YouTube Music Premium.
Okay, we need to be aware of the lies that Satan tries to feed us so that we may resist and fight back. Kinakailangan na alam natin guys, no? Alam natin, aware tayo na yung nangyayari, no? For example, may mga problema, no? Ang mag-asawa, may mga darating na mga pagsubok. Kung alam mo na yun ay gawain ni Satan, then you can resist and fight back. Diba? May mga ganung mga pangyayari guys, no? Na ang dahilan talaga si Satan talaga kasi gusto niya na magkahiwalay kayong mag-asawa. One of the biggest lies regarding marriage in our culture today is that love is only a feeling. Oh, yun, isa yung lie, no? That love is only a feeling, no? Kasi, guys, kailangan hindi tayo mag-depend sa ating mga emotions or feelings, guys. Kasi alam natin na ang emotions or feelings faded away. Nawawala ito, guys. Ngayon, pag feeling ang nag-depend ka sa iyong feeling, ngayon mahal mo ang isang tao. Bukas, hindi mo na mahal. Diba? Ngayon, ay attracted ka sa kanya. Bukas, hindi ka na attracted kasi may iba ka nang nakikita attracted ka na. O, diba? Yun ang feelings. It faded away. So, isa yan sa mga lies ni Satan. We are told that love is what you feel toward another person. Yun ang karamihan na pinaniniwalaan, no? Na ang love is what you feel toward another person. And that divorce is the answer when it fades. So, yun. Yun karamihan ang pinaniniwalaan, lalo na sa panahon ngayon, guys, na yung love mo is yung feeling mo, no? Doon ka nag-depend sa feeling mo na mahal mo ang isang tao. But then, pag na-fade na yung, nawala na yung feeling mo sa isang tao, the solution is divorce sa mga mag-asawa, which is not godly, guys, no? So, kinakailangan din tayo mag-depend sa ating mga feelings because feelings faded away. Alam niyo ba, guys, na ang love is a choice, no? Ang totoong pag-ibig is a choice. True love is a choice, no? When you chose to love your partner, then you can show, no, through actions, your love through actions sa iyong partner. Kasi pinili mo na mahalin siya, di ba? Dahil pinili mo na siya ay mahalin, then you will show through actions your love. No? You will show your love through actions to your partner. Every day. Every day, di ba? Kasi pag pinili mo na mahalin ang isang tao, ay kaya mong gawin na ipakita sa kanya na mahal mo siya. I-show mo sa kanya, no? I-ano mo sa kanya, ipakita mo sa kanya na mahal mo siya. In many things, no? Sa maraming paraan, ipakikita mo sa kanya na mahal mo siya. You will show through actions your love to your partner. It is easy to act lovingly when emotions are involved, but take care that you continue to love and pursue your spouse, even as emotions fade in and out. Mas madali daw, guys, no, na magmahal ka na through emotions, no? Kapag napi-feel mo na mahal mo siya, madali mong ipakita na mahal mo siya dahil you feel it. But you have to continue to love and pursue your spouse even as emotions fade in and out, diba? Kasi yung feelings nandyan, minsan nawawala, minsan nandyan, nawawala, ganon. So, kahit na napi-fade yung feelings mo, mawala man yan o sumulpot na naman, but you will continue to love your spouse. Despite sa feelings mo na in and out. While in the dating and honeymoon phase, pursuing and caring is much easier. But as time goes by, many of us fall